How to find videos you liked on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to find videos you liked on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select your activity under how you use Instagram, and then under interaction section select likes. Now tap all content types at top right corner of the screen, and then you have to select reels and tap on apply button. Now tap on all dates and you can easily select and filter by date. You can also select newest to oldest, and you can sort by oldest to newest or newest to oldest. And these are the videos you liked on Instagram. If you wish to find the post you liked on Instagram, you can simply again select reels, and then you can check mark the post and on check mark the reels and tap on apply button. And we don't have any posts that we have liked on Instagram. So that's how you easily find videos you liked on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.